It doesn't matter so much about me. So whenever you're ready, just go. Doesn't matter that the camera's rolling.
It started.
Alright, so we are making slime. I'm only going to say this once, so don't come and ask me how much of everything are we putting in, because it's pretty straightforward. You only need to remember 2 numbers. So, pretty straightforward stuff. And if you do forget, there's only 2 sets of instructions, one here, and I'll put another one on the table over there. Go and read that rather than asking me. You'll be doing it in pairs, so we've got, let me just count, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, with 1 left over. That's fine, there's plenty of material then for everybody. So, how do we do it? Chanel, can you please read the instructions, the method, nice and loud?
Measure 25 mils of PVA solution into 250 ml beaker.
So here we have the PVA solution, it's in the large beaker. Okay, we need 25 mils of that. So we put 25 mils into the measuring cylinder. Are you okay, Gemma? You need to go to the toilet or?
Yeah, she's busting.
You just need to ask. So everyone needs steering rod and 250 ml beaker. As Chanel said, we just measure out 25 mils of the one label PVA into there, making sure we're doing it, reading it at eye level, and the bottom of the meniscus is resting on the 25. Once you've done that, tip it into your 250 ml beaker. So, how many mils of this, Brock?
250 mils.
Try again, Aiden.
25.
25 mils. Jake, how many mils of this?
25.
25. Letitia?
25.
25. Chanel? 25. Very good. So 25 of PVA, that's done. And we've got it in here. Okay, next step please, Chanel.
Add 5 mils, 4% borax and 2 drops of food colouring.
Okay, so this is 4% borax solution. It's a powder and we just mix it up with water. That's why it's called 4%. But we need 5 mils of it. So here's a tiny measuring cylinder. It's a 10 mil one. We only need half of that, about the 5 mil mark there. Pour that in, 5 mils. Tip it into our 250 ml beaker that's already got the PVA in there. Vicky, how much are we putting?
5.
5 mils. Jacinta?
5.
5 mils. Josh?
5.
Bailey?
5.
5 mils of the borax. 25 mils of PVA. 5 mils of borax. And then, this comes the fun part. You decide what colour you want. So we've got 4 colours.
Oh my god, blue.
Yes, you can make a mix. If you want to make purple, for example,
Put blue and
then we only want 2 drops. Thank you, Richard.
blue and green aqua.
Thank you, Vicky. We only want 2 drops, so if you want purple, 1. Okay, if you want some of the fantastic colour, whatever, but you can only do 1 drop of each. And then, next method.
Mix thoroughly.
Did you go?
Next.
Wait 10 minutes before handling.
We don't need to wait 10 minutes. It takes 1 minute and a set. So you do need to leave it just for 1 minute. You can almost count to 60 and just to let it solidify a little bit, and then you can start mucking around with it. Please don't take it out. Yeah, lift it up on the stick. See if you can pick it up in one ball on the stick. See if you can sort of droop it. You need to remember, they're the 3 questions you need to answer. So, observations, you need to remember about colour, texture, smell, you know, what does it look like, does it flow, all of those sorts of things. You're going to have to remember, because you're not taking your books up here, you'll be writing it when you get back to your seat. And then you need to also remember the question at the bottom, is it a solid, liquid or a gas? You have to explain why. So you've got to look at this and examine it very carefully. Any questions about this procedure? No? Okay, so we're working in partners. Now, when you're finished, please put your slime back in there, like that, and Miss Milton will take it away. If you get messy hands, over in the corner there, there's a tap with paper towel and some little bit of some sort of detergent. Clean up there. If you spill something, hands up and tell me and I'll come and clean it up. Okay, so working in pairs. If one person's left over, that's fine. You can work on yourself or you can work in a group of 3. I don't mind however you want to do it. Okay, so everyone else, pairs, and you can go for it. Don't turn it off yet, Courtney. Keep it running, please. Thank you for that. Okay, so there's a bench over there, and there's a bench here, so go for it. And I'm going to make some for me as well.
Thanks, Biao.
That one? Yeah. Go for it.
Yeah, we need these.
You share. Everyone, you have to share this stuff.
Yeah, not gonna share.
Oh god, that smells.
Working in pairs, please. You're working with Becky there, Vicky?
Yep.
Very good.
Oh, we need that rod.
Right, so 5 mil of borax. Can we have a recipe thingy? Look, what, how do you do that?
You need to share. When Vicky and Becky finish with it, then you use it. Okay? So you just need to share everything. You can still make your own.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys go.
It smells horrible. Oh my god.
There you go. Done. Get down and do it like this.
We're still waiting nearly there. 50 seconds. Alright, go. Done.
Just a minute.
Oh, that really smells. Who's that purple? Did you do purple? One drop. No, teachers was green. Alright, 2 drops. Ready?
No, you're not. Mr. Kerr, are we on a
Are you gonna mix it first?
Don't take it out. I said you can touch it. Do not take it out, Chanel.
That's how it is. That's how, look at it. You gotta wait for it to set.
So the important thing I want you to get in this job is
That's my finger.
how it's behaving. So if you can film in there, in the beaker. Yeah. See how I can, are you getting that? How it's sort of wrapping up on the stick? Yeah. And how I can almost lift it up. Look at that. So I want the people that are not here to be able to see this. That I can lift it up. Like jelly. Look.
It's jelly.
And then it runs.
Red looks awesome.
I reckon red's the best colour. But then when it's in the beaker, so you can tighten this like solid. And it won't, oh it does flow I suppose, if I leave it. Can you just do that right on top? Come right here and come out a bit. Yep, yeah that's it. Right on top. Like that, yep. If I leave it, watch it flow. Cool. Keep going. Let's do a couple more. See if I can pick it up. Yeah. Alright, that one will do it. Thanks, Jake.